Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be doing a plan with me daily and weekly layout. I'm going to be using a combination of stickers that I already have in my sticker collection, purchase stickers, and also a beautiful sticker kit from CalmToday. Also in this video, I'm going to be showing you two super cool tips: how to add emoji stickers and also how to organize your stickers in your iCloud files. So before we get started, please remember to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit that notification bell so that you get notified when I make new videos. Let's get started. So for this plan with me, I'll be using my portrait planner, the Spark Hearts Monday Start Date Planner, which you can find in my Etsy shop, and I'll link that in the description box below. We're gonna start with our daily plan. So I'm gonna do Monday, which is gonna be today, the day that you're watching it, but I'm making it on a Sunday. So right away, I'm just going to slide to the side and get my stickers, and I'm going to go into the CalmToday stickers. Now, I just love this sticker kit, you guys. It is just neutral and boho themed, and it is the autumn sticker kit, I believe. The color schemes are so perfect to match with any other stickers that you have in your collection and with any planner. Just want to let you know, this Etsy shop also sells planners, so if you're interested, definitely check them out. I will leave all the socials and links in the description box below. So as you can see, I'm using my dream font, and I am making the date for today in gray. I actually have been liking the color gray. I don't know why, but like the different variations of gray rather than just using black really appeal to me. So that's what I've been using lately, or I've been using like browns and things like that, more boho colors, boho themed colors. So I'm going to use some of the stickers and just place them into my daily plan. So one of my biggest focuses today is work, making sure I'm staying focused. I have a lot of work to do this week. I have annuals to do, I have evals to do, and I have things for my Etsy shop to create. So I really want to stay focused and not have any distractions. So that's why I put work as my focus. And now I'm going to use this really cute banner. It is so cute, you guys. Look at those hearts. I love how I can use them and match them on each line, so I can write out all the things I have to do and check them off right in my schedule. And I'm just going to use this today sticker and place it at the top, right near the date. I'm going to crop it as well to make it fit perfectly right at the top. You know, I love my Pinterest stickers. I love to add these images, and I have this beautiful rainbow that I found as a wallpaper on Pinterest. Like I said, if you're not following me on Pinterest, what are you really doing? I have beautiful wallpapers there that you can download and use in your planners. They are absolutely free because they are wallpapers and people made them for you to just be inspired. So definitely use them as inspiration in your planners. Remember that they are for personal use only. One of the things I like to do to block out time is use my highlighter tool in the biggest size possible and mark off the times that I'm doing certain activities. So like if I'm going to go to sleep for 5 hours, I will block out 5 hours of time. Just kidding. But yes, if I'm doing my work from 9 to 3, I'm going to block that off using a pink color. And I just love how it kind of shows you exactly what times you're working and really helps you to be more disciplined. That's the word I'm looking for. Disciplined when you are doing certain things. So definitely for me, I get distracted a lot. So looking at my schedule and knowing that I have this amount of time for work, this amount of time for Etsy shop, this amount of time for prayer really keeps me organized, and I get more things done that way. Alrighty, so I'm going to write my positive affirmation. Sometimes I use quotes, but today I'm just going to write a really sweet message to myself, just as a reminder that yes, we do get down sometimes. Yes, there's confusion sometimes, but there's always room for growth. And I just want to remind myself that I am all these wonderful things that I'm writing. And yeah. Okay, so here comes tip number 1, the cool hint that I just found out today. So you can just click on your emojis in the text box and they appear. I'm like, really, I never thought of this. Like, this could be really cute for my moods. So I'm just using this laughing emoji just to test it out. And you can just lasso it, and I'm just putting it right over that little sunshine thing, and use a lasso to resize it exactly where you want it to go. Boom! I cannot believe this, you guys. Did you guys know this? Write that in the comments. If you already knew this, please comment down below. Another way I like to block out time is using either the pen or the highlighter tool to make a box around that time in my schedule. Just make the box, hold it, tap it with your finger, and then use the little blue buttons to resize it and reshape it exactly as you want it. So now I'm going to rearrange everything in the box to make it fit perfectly, and I'm going to start adding my text in for each of those little hearts. Now, as I'm watching this video, I realized the prep lunch, I don't know why, that is bothering me how it is inside the box. Like, I don't know why I didn't fix that, but rewatching it now, yeah, I should have fixed that. So as you can see, I'm just going to take the time in to fill in my top priorities, all the other parts of this daily plan, and add some more stickers to give it some cuteness. Alright, so that's pretty much what it's looking like, and I really like it. I think it's really calm, neutral, boho themed, and I think I'm ready for my Monday. Now we're going to get ready to do our weekly layout. Now, my weekly layout is already basically done. I'm just going to add a few more stickers from CalmToday. And as you can see, we're going to be doing some spring cleaning next week. So you're going to see me write in a whole bunch of things that I'm going to be cleaning, and I'm probably going to add more later on once I figure it out. I need to organize my closets, my drawers, the junk drawer. I got a lot to do. Comment down below if you've already done your spring cleaning, or if you haven't and you're going to do it, or if you're not going to do it at all. Comment down below. Guys, these stickers are bomb. Look how they match perfectly with totally different sticker kit. I'm telling you guys, you will not lose out if you go to CalmToday and get these stickers. They fit with any planner. So for this free space, I just want to use this brown square. So I'm just gonna have to cut those things that I had on there before, those stickers, and I'm going to paste them so that they end up on the top of the square, not underneath. Okay, so now I'm just going to add more stickers and fill in everything that I need for this week to really get my week going. Like I said, I have a lot to do, and I definitely want to make sure I get as much tasks and as much things in my to-do list done. All right. I know I said there's 2 tips. It's coming. I bet you're like, hello, where's that second tip you said there was? I'm going to show you how to organize your stickers in the files folder in your iCloud or your iPad. So how I organize my stickers is that each shop or each person that has freebies or stickers, I separate them into separate folders as you see here. So every folder that I have is, somebody's Etsy shop. So for example, I have CalmToday stickers in one folder. I have J Plan stickers in another folder, and I have my stickers in another folder. So everything is organized that way. And then those little dots are tags. That really helps me, because I'm a visual person, to really spot out those stickers that are most important. So the ones that I use the most are in red, and I'll be able to spot them really quickly. So how do you do that? I'm sure you're asking. So all you have to do is click and hold on that folder go down to tags and select the tag that you want. You even have the option to create custom tags with whatever you want to name it. And once you're on the sidebar of the files folder, you'll be able to look at each and every single one of those tags that you named. Super cool, right? I hope you guys use your files folder to organize your stickers as well, especially if you have a large collection. It might lag your GoodNotes a little bit if you hold all of them in sticker books, but if you do not experience lag, then definitely continue to do so. But if you do, consider using the files folder to store all your fabulous stickers. All right, you guys, so that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you learned something new and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit that notification bell so that you get notified when I make new videos. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.